Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add contacts and silence notifications sleep focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Sleep. Then in the Sleep Focus, click People under the Silence Notifications. Then in the Notifications, under the Silence Notifications from, click the positive sign to add the people or the contact person that you want. For example, you want to add Rain on your contacts, just click the small circle. And I have one contact selected, and if you're done, click Done. And your contact person is on the list. And that's it. We have successfully added contacts and silence notifications sleep focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.